Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo approved ₦1 billion soft loan for market women wey dey the state, make them take boost their businesses and better their life. The governor announced am for 2025 International Women's Day celebration wey shele for Festival Hall, Government House, Benin City, as he hail women for the better work wey dem dey do to move Edo State go forward. The event will get the theme Accelerate Action for All Women and Girls. They organized by the Edo State Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Development. They used the theme to talk about the need to take sharp action for gender equality and address the slow pace of progress and empowering women and girls all around the world. The governor for a welcome address called talk say men not fit do anything without women. That's now why when they bring the memo for the soft loan approval, he sharply approved the loan of ₦1 billion for Edo State market women. A constant talk say them don't ready to share the loan through correct financial institutions.
We can actually do nothing without women as a man. That is why when I had a memo before me presented by the Secretary to the State Government, I quickly approved the sum of ₦1 billion as a soft loan to the market women. So I believe very soon, the process is ongoing. We are talking to First Bank for disbursement. The money is ready. So all these are accredited to women. When it comes to election, women will tell you, we will back you, and they will actually back you.
Edesile Anani Okpebholo wey be coordinator office of Edo State First Lady come beg women say make them not keep quiet, make them push back and stand gidigba fight for their rights, say their voice matter. She come also to salute to Governor Okpebholo say they take serious actions to make sure say Edo women no go dey left behind for the matter of equal opportunities and justice. She constantly talk say this celebration na to remind people say it go better make everybody join hand end gender inequality, economic wahala and violence against women and girls.
Imagine a world without women. How would it be? A world without women would be a worry. Women, please celebrate yourselves. I'm so excited to see everybody here looking beautiful while complimenting the men. Today we gather to celebrate the achievement of women and to renew our call for transformative change. This day reminds us of the incredible progress made by women around the world, while urging us to accelerate our efforts towards gender parity. The theme for this year's International Women's Day, Accelerate Action, is not a mere slogan. It is a clear call for urgent inclusion, decisive change, and collaborative effort. Across every sector of the society, we must come together to eliminate barriers that still deny thousands of women their fundamental human rights. Systematic inequalities, violence against women and the girl child, economic disparities continue to hold back our progress. It is our duty to dismantle these obstacles as women. Achieving gender parity is essential for realizing true gender equality. It requires the steadfast commitment of our government, our community, businesses, and individuals. I am proud to recognize that His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday, who just gave us some accolades as women, please give him a round of applause, has taken decisive steps to accelerate action, ensuring that no Edo woman is left behind in our quest for equal opportunity and justice. As we mark this special day, we honor the trailblazers who paved the way for us. We acknowledge the progress we have made as women, and we continue to commit ourselves to the ongoing fight for gender equality and equity. We will not be deterred. We will not be silenced. We will not be pushed back. We will not be shut down. Our voices will not be strangled. Our voices must be heard because our voice matters as women. To every Edo woman, I say, Let us commit to excellence in all that we do, either in our careers, in our communities, in our homes, in our offices, just everywhere you find yourself. Please add value. Your strength, your talent, and your resilience are the cornerstone upon which more equitable society is built. Let us lift one another as women. Let us build one another as women. Let us love one another as women. Let us build sisterhood. Let us have an ecosystem of women ready to build and conquer. As we celebrate International Women's Day, let us pledge to accelerate our collective efforts for the rights and empowerment of every woman and girl child. Together, we can create a future where every woman has an opportunity to shine. Because shine, we must. Let's accelerate action for all girls and women. Remember, no woman, women are great, no controversy. Train a woman.
Today we stand on a pivotal moment in history, one that demands bold commitments and strategic collaborations to accelerate gender parity and amplify the voices of women and girls in every sector. It is well known that female empowerment has been linked to a nation's all-round growth. Time and time again, women have shattered barriers in different sectors, proving that limitations imposed by outdated beliefs do not hold any ground. We have seen trailblazers, I do not need to mention them, in this country. Women who have refused to be confined by societal expectations and have paved the way for others to follow. Yet, despite these remarkable strides by women, the road to true equality remains very steep. Conversations about increasing women's representation in leadership are often met with resistance by claims that leadership should be based solely on ability and not gender. Yet, women have all the ability. But let us be honest. For years, women have been forced to fight just to be considered, to prove their worth over and over again, to work twice as hard to receive half the recognition. We have balanced careers and our families on an invisible scale, striving to excel on both fronts while also struggling for fundamental rights to be heard and seen as individuals, people with rights, voices, and dreams. I'm encouraged by the progress that we have made, by policies and initiatives that amplify women's voices and open doors that were once firmly shut. But this is not enough. Now is the time for action. Now is the time to move beyond conversations and into commitment, beyond policy making into execution. We must demand that investments in female empowerment go beyond short-term fixes. Every initiative, every financial commitment, every policy must be designed not just to uplift the woman or the girl of today, but to create a ripple effect for generations to come. So I ask you, distinguished stakeholders here today, what role will you personally play in accelerating this change? Will you mentor a young girl who dares to dream for heights never reached before? Will you challenge outdated systems that hold girls back from being leaders tomorrow? Will you push for policies that ensure true gender equity and equality? Change does not happen by chance. It happens by choice. The choice of bold, intentional, and collective action. The time to act, my sisters, is now.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know to take blame. From Government House, Benin City, A. Kata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.